Learn Portuguese and immerse yourself in a vibrant culture. Career opportunities. Start your own business or find job opportunities in the expanding South American market. Visa flexibility. The digital nomad visa is easy to obtain and allows for long-term stays. Detailed insights and experiences Brazil's diverse ecosystem and tourist attractions. Brazil, not only a workhorse, also boasts the world's most diverse ecosystems. Amazon rainforest, largest rainforest globally. Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland. The coastal cities, such as Rio de Janeiro and Florianopolis, are renowned for their stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife, integrating into Brazilian society. English is prevalent in major cities. Learning Portuguese boosts your experience and integration in Brazil. Numerous schools and online courses facilitate learning. Safety tips for expats. Like any large city, safety can be a concern in Brazil. Here are some tips to stay safe. Stay informed, keep updated with local news, and stay aware of your surroundings. Avoid flashy displays of wealth. Refrain from wearing expensive jewelry or carrying large sums of money.